How to make money online in Cameroon 2023. All you have to do is just go to Google and then type Upwork. When it comes, just select this one, okay? Select this one and it will take you directly to the site. If you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to just sign up. If you look here, it says sign up. So we have two forms, okay? Over here, you are going to sign up as a freelancer. What I mean is that you are going to create a profile of whatever thing that you can offer, whatever service that you can offer, and then people are going to contact you and give you work for you to do for them. Then you get paid. Over here, we have it in two forms. You can go, I am a client, and then you want to hire somebody, or you want to be your own boss and then you are looking for work. Just select this one and then click on apply as a freelancer. So over here you select your country and then you create account. Okay, you just check the box and then you create account. It is as easy as ABC. The thing is, you have to just look at yourself and then ask yourself, what are you good at? What can you do? Okay, what can you offer? So if it is a typing service that you can offer, you are going to create a gig over here. It's a typing service. Whatever thing that you are good at, then you select that one. Let's click on get started. These are the few questions that they are going to ask you. So I am a brand new to this. I have some experience. I'm an expert. So me, I have experience. I'm going to select that one. Then I go to next. And over here it says got it. So earn money, my main income, or to make money on the side, to get experience. We are here to make money. Okay, so let's select this one. They are asking us how would you like to work. So we have this one. I would like to find opportunities myself. I would like to package up my work clients to buy, or I would like Upwork to act as a recruiter. So it depends on you. Me, I rather be my own boss. I would like to find opportunities myself. Then you select create profile. So the next thing is, how would you like to tell us about yourself? So if you have a CV, just upload it here. If you don't have a CV and you don't have anything, you can also fill out a manual thing over here. So over here it says add a title to what you would do. You put it here, your professional role. So let me say I'm an accountant. Then I click on next. So you can add your experience here. If you don't have anything, just say nothing to add. Then you click on the next. So over here to clients, no, if you don't have anything, since you are beginning, you can just click on nothing. And then do you have certifications? I just have nothing, it is my experience. And then over here, looking good, next tell us the language that you are good in. So we are good in English, and I'm very I'm very fluent. I click on next. So what is your skill? So just enter in your skill here. So these are the skills that you can select. We have typing, we have phone survey, we have, you can add as many as you can. Okay. We have counseling, advertisement, and so on. Okay, as many as you can, then you click on yes. So good. What you have to do is to just write your overview. Okay. So over here you have to write a bio to tell something about us. Okay. So what I have to do is just go to Google and then you go to this tool that Google has just launched, Google AI, and then ask the AI to write you something. Okay, so you can ask the AI to write me a bio myself, and I am an accountant, right? With 3 years experience. So you see, we have it perfectly written. All I have to do is just copy it and then put in our name. We can then come and put the bio here, and then we click on next. So over here to they are asking us search for service. Okay, we can do accounting, financial planning, then other as well. Then we go to next. So over here they are asking us the hourly rate that we are going to charge. Let's not make it too much, $5 per hour, and then 10% freelancer service. This helps us, so they are going to take 10% of whatever thing. Okay, That is good. Then let's click on next. You can put in your address where we have the asterisk. So we have our image. All I have to do is just click on attach photo. So you put in your street address. So after filling everything, the next thing I have to do is just click on check your profile. And over here, it's looking good. We have created our profile successfully. As you see here, you can simply submit the profile. And nice work. Okay, so we have created our account successfully, and now what I have to do is to just find work, browse for work, and then start earning money. So we have several jobs here. As we can see, we have several jobs here without experience. If you can act, just look at the amount of money that you $30 to $50 for no experience at all, seeking for a man to act as a giant on Skype, and then the person is going to pay us $30 to $50 per hour. Okay? This is how to make money. It's as easy as ABC. You don't need a certificate, you don't need anything. Over here too, as you can see, super quick task pays $150 each. You can browse through and then find jobs that relates to you. Okay, so CV writer to fixed price, all these are jobs that we can get to do. When you browse through all these types of jobs and then you find the one that you are okay with, the next thing that you have to do is to just apply for the job. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot. Just come to Upwork and then start to make money.